Listed below are numbers of internet users per 100 people and numbers of scientific award winners per 10 million people for different countries. Construct a scatter plot, find the value of linear correlation coefficient R, and find the p-value of R. Determine whether there is sufficient evidence to support a claim of linear correlation between the two variables using 0.01 significance level. So first, we want to create a scatter plot. So our first variable are the internet users. The second variable are award winners. So let's go ahead and open this in StatCrunch. We're going to go on graph and select scatter plot. X variable are the internet users, Y variable are the award winners, and here we can see our scatter plot, and it looks like D. Next, we want to find the linear correlation coefficient, so we're going to go back to StatCrunch, go on Stat, Regression, Simple Linear. X variable are the internet users, Y variable are the award winners, and from there we can find our correlation coefficient. And here's the graph and the regression line. So the correlation coefficient rounded to 3 decimal places is going to be 0.769. Now we want to set up hypotheses. So rho represents the population linear correlation coefficient. If rho is equal to 0, then that means there is no linear correlation between the two variables. If rho is not 0, then that means there is a linear correlation between the two variables. Okay, so next we want to find the test statistic and the p-value, and the test statistic and the p-value are given here. So based on the slope, this is our t-stat, which is our test statistic, and this is our p-value. So rounding the test statistic to 2 decimal places, it's 2.41. And p-value rounded to 3 decimal places is 0.074. And since our p-value is greater than significance level, then that means we fail to reject the null. So because p-value of a linear correlation coefficient is greater than significance level, then we don't reject the null, we go with the null. So that means we don't have enough evidence to support the alternate hypothesis that says there is a linear correlation. So there is not sufficient evidence to support the claim that there's a linear correlation between internet users and award winners.